Today's fast-paced digital world, staying organized and productive is more important than ever.
Are you drowning in a sea of bookmarks, scattered notes, and endless search of information? We understand the challenges of managing the digital content and the frustration it can bring.
But that should not be a problem anymore. You will not gatekeep this powerful tool designed to simplify your digital life. Introducing Weava, the ultimate digital organization tool.
With Weava, you can seamlessly capture, highlight, and organize information from various sources, all in one place. Weava offers a range of features to fuel your productivity. The web highlighter allows you to mark and extract important information directly from web pages. You can highlight whatever content you want in the text, PDF, or even website. You may switch on the highlight mode by pressing Option and S button. Of highlighters allows you to manage and organize the content into different categories. If you want to save a picture, drag it to the box of your left-hand side. Note to highlight if you have further explanation by annotation function. The highlights and annotation can be easily changed and deleted. You can organize and group your highlights by website or category, and order them by the time of editing. Furthermore, you may also export your highlights into a Word, Excel, CSV, or TXT file.
When you learn how to use Weava, you'll experience these benefits. But don't just take our word for it. Hear what our users say about Weava.
I love how Weava helps me to stay organized. It's like a personal assistant for my digital content.
With Weava, you can take control of your digital world, save time, and unlock your true productivity.
Join a thousand of satisfied users in Weava to stay efficient and organized.
Yay! Try Weava today!